Hello my dear friends. So today in this video I will be teaching you all out ink with the brush pen. So I use the Camlin brush pen. So if you're new or beginner, it might be quite difficult using the brush pen, but if you follow some steps it's gonna be damn easy and simple. So today we will be drawing horizontal lines, vertical lines, the thickness count, so and so. So come on, without wasting time, let us get into the video. So first let's make four horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Guys, the size is according to your wish, but make sure that the lines are straight. Now the same to vertical. 2, 3, and 4. Now let's do some curves. 3 and 4. Now let's do reverse curve. 2, 3, and 4. Now let us do some waves. Let the size be according to your wish. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let us do the horizontal lines from thick to thin and from thin again to thick. So let's start from thin to thick. Let's make four horizontal lines in the same way. 2, 3, and 4. Now the same to the vertical lines. From thin to thick. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's just the thin and thickness, it's just on the pressure which you create on the paper. That's it. So now let's do the same even for curve. From thick to thin and again from thin to thick. Guys, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and share. Now again from thick to thin. Now from thin to thick. And I also hope that you find this video helpful. If so, then comment. Yeah. So guys, that's it for today. And guys, I have a suggestion. If you all want to see some thrilling, fun and interesting gameplay videos, I have a suggestion. There is a channel called Mitro Phoenix where you find fun, interesting, thrilling games. The link is provided in the description. If you like, subscribe. Even that channel. Thank you. That's it for today. So goodbye. See you the next week with the next interesting video. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.